Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna be fixing another issue on my Alfa Giulietta. Now, ever since I bought this car, there has been a buzzing sound coming from the engine bay every time I turn the car off. Now it goes away after maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. So I did some basic research, and I figured that it has something to do with the AC. I noticed that the compressor doesn't turn on. I also checked for the gas in the system, and there isn't any. Alright, here's that sound. Let me open up the hood so you can hear it a bit better. It is essentially coming from the back of the engine, and if I place my hand right here, I can actually feel the vibrations. So it has to do something with the AC system, definitely. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the car to my friend to refill the AC system, and I'm also going to tell him to check it out for leaks. So I've got my AC system refilled. It blows out the cold air, which it wasn't doing before, and that is also one of the ways you can diagnose this issue. I've turned the car off, and now as you can see, there are no sounds coming from the engine bay. Now let's go over the cause. The main problem was the gas. There wasn't any in the system, so if you want to fix this issue, all you gotta do is refill your AC. However, keep in mind that if there is no gas in the system, it had to escape somewhere. In my case, this little thing on the top of the AC wasn't tightened properly, and it let all of the gas out. So when you refill it, make sure to check it for any leaks. Anyway, that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our Alfisti.